Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you want to know my secret to flawless skin, check out this CONCARE LED face mask.
As the yellow, blue, red, infrared wavelengths. I love that these colors do different things for my skin, and I can still drink from a straw while wearing this mask. I can see, breathe easily, and I get to feel my best self. I enjoy watching TV and lounging because this is so comfortable to wear. It's really lightweight and adjustable. It also has this food grade silicone cover so I can easily wipe it clean. And I like that the eye pads come out as well. It comes with the two straps, two sets of eye pads, and when these straps are in place, it's comfortable on my head and stays nice in place. I can also adjust it tighter if I want. The eye pads are easy to put on, and I like that it has a remote control, which means I can walk around my house or be anywhere. I don't have to be right next to an outlet. I also like that it comes in this beautiful box, so it'd be a great gift. It's also rechargeable, and with one full charge, I can get 12 sessions of facials with this. And there's light strength, so I can increase my light setting. I love the design. I also love that it times out. You can set it for 10, 20, or 30 minutes, and it'll turn off, so you don't have to keep an eye on the clock. It'll let you know when you're done. It's durable, it's a high quality product, and it's a wonderful addition to my skincare routine.
I love this, and this really makes a difference for me, but that's just my point of view.